Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! If you're ready to get your hands dirty and unleash your creativity, I've got just the thing for you. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 DIY projects for 2024 that you absolutely can't miss. First up, let's talk about vertical garden walls. With urban spaces shrinking, vertical gardens are the perfect solution. Grab some wooden pallets, landscape fabric, and a variety of plants. Secure the fabric to the back of the pallet, fill it with soil, and plant your greenery. Not only do they look stunning, but they also improve air quality. Win-win. Next, we have resin art. Resin is making a huge comeback this year, and for good reason. You can create everything from coasters to stunning wall art. Mix your resin according to the instructions, add some pigments or glitter, and pour it into molds. The final product? A glossy, durable masterpiece that'll have everyone asking, "Where'd you get that?" Our third project is smart home upgrades. With technology evolving, integrating smart features into your home is easier than ever. Try installing a smart thermostat, automated lights, or even a DIY home security system. These upgrades not only make your life more convenient, but can also boost your home's value. Fourth on the list is upcycled furniture. Before you toss out that old dresser or chair, consider giving it a new lease on life. Sand it down, add a fresh coat of paint, and replace the hardware. You'd be amazed at how a little elbow grease can transform a tired piece into a statement item. Finally, let's not forget outdoor fire pits. Perfect for those chilly nights, building your own fire pit is simpler than you think. Choose a spot in your yard, dig a shallow hole, and line it with stones or bricks. Add some gravel for drainage and voila! You've got a cozy gathering spot for friends and family. So, there you have it. 5 must-try DIY projects for 2024. Whether you're greening up your space, crafting unique art, or upgrading your home, there's something here for everyone. Get out there and start creating. And don't forget to share your projects in the comments below. Happy DIYing!